Amid the ongoing controversy over YouTuber Ranveer Allahabadia's remarks on Samay Raina's roast show, India's Got Latent, Maharashtra Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis has spoken out strongly against the use of obscene language in the name of freedom of speech. Fadnavis made it clear that while freedom of speech and expression is a right, it should not come at the cost of disrespecting others. He stated, "No doubt one has freedom of speech and expression, but one cannot take away other person's freedom of speech and expression by using one's own. One cannot be preaching obscene content in the name of freedom of speech and expression." This statement comes after Allahabadia's controversial comments during his appearance on the now deleted show, which many people have found offensive. Fadnavis further emphasized the need for regulations on social media platforms and YouTube to prevent the spread of inappropriate content. He said, "It is required that rules and regulations be put in place, but earlier these mediums had geographical boundaries, now there are none. But we are in talks with the central government to have such regulations in place." This highlights the growing concern over the lack of boundaries on digital platforms and the need for stricter guidelines. Earlier, reacting to the controversy, Fadnavis expressed that while he had not watched the episode in question, he was aware of the situation. He pointed out that freedom of speech is vital but must not harm or infringe upon others' rights. "I have come to know about it. I have not seen it yet. Things have been said and presented in a wrong way. Everyone has freedom of speech, but our freedom ends when we encroach upon the freedom of others. In our society, we have made some rules. If someone violates them, it is absolutely wrong and action should be taken against them," Fadnavis said. The controversy continues to escalate, with the Supreme Court also criticizing Allahabadia's remarks, calling them highly irresponsible. As the situation develops, the need for clear rules on social media content is becoming more urgent.